Hello everyone, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. I'm Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie analysis, and movie recommendation. And today I'm going to analyze Call My Agent Bollywood, which is streaming on Netflix now. Call My Agent is an official adaptation of the French series Dix%. The series has totally 6 episodes. Whether you should invest your time in this particular web series or not, I'm going to discuss it completely so that you can decide that there are so many shows, there are so many cinemas floating in so many OTT platforms, so you should choose that particular content wisely and you should not waste your time. Before coming into the review, let me tell you this is a different ambience. I just got a little time, so I thought I should talk about this particular series. Otherwise, it is these days I am not uploading a lot of videos because lack of time. But I'm trying my level best. I'm coping up with the time. If I'm getting a little time, then I'm trying my best to make a video and make a review or make a movie recommendation for you guys so that we can be connected. And most importantly, good content, good cinemas, good web series should be spreaded. Maybe even if it's 1% or even if to one person doesn't matter, but if that one person is watching a good cinema or a good content, that is a huge success for me. So yeah, in this particular series there are 6 episodes, and in the lead there are 4 people in the lead who are the agents of Bollywood, who manages the Bollywood celebrities, their work, their sometimes their personal life also, and they balances their personal life and work and schedule and calls and agreements, so many things. So there are 4 agents which are played by Rajat Kapoor, Aishman Mehra, Soni Razdan, and Ahana Kumra. If you have already watched the original one and if you want to watch this again, then well, I'll come to that part. But when I watched that trailer for the very first time, it really amazed me. I was extremely excited because it was looking extremely colorful, it was looking promising, the star cast was amazing, and I thought it will be a good fun to watch this, and I was super excited. I started watching this, and after 1 or 2 episodes, my excitement went down a little, but still I did stick to it because that particular series somehow connected to me a little because of my personal life, because the kind of work I do, it is not exactly like this but somehow like this, because I also work in this entertainment department, and I could connect what exactly goes through behind whatever we see in the on the screen. So that is why for my personal preference I could finish this series. How far it is connected to reality, let's talk about it. First of all, particularly how that work has been showcased, I am not really agreed to that, because it whatever has happened, it happens. The cameo like Ali Fazal, Farah Khan, Richa Chadda, Tigmansu Dhulia, Dia Mirza, Lara Datta, Sariq Hassan, Lalit Dubey, and Ila Arun, among others. Those people has done a beautiful work, and each episode there is a kind of story. I mean, this particular these agents are managing them, and they have a company. That company name is Art. So Art is managing this particular celebrities and their works, and every episode is showcasing a particular story, their struggle, they are signing a kind of project, and how they are going through the struggle, how they are getting that work done, all about this. So in all the story, I really loved the story of Lalit Dubey and Ila Arun, because that is really funny, and I loved their that equation was really fun, and yeah, that is too nice. But what I could not connect to this particular story, because it was over dramatized. I mean, the kind of attitude and the kind of behavior they are showing, I am not really agreed to that thing. And there are so many times, and in offices, in other places, those in professional works, they have used a lot of slang, and mostly in every sentence you will find at least 2 fucks, which is absolutely irrelevant. Nobody speaks a lot of fuck in their day-to-day life, at least what I believe. And at least Ayush Mehra and Ahana Kumra are using a lot of fuck, which is irrelevant for me. And Ahana Kumra is extremely loud. She is overdoing it, which I don't like. Some contents which showcases the inside of Bollywood, I will definitely appreciate Luck by Chance and AK versus AK in comparison to Call My Agent Bollywood, because those particular contents has showcased much more than what Call My Agent Bollywood should have been showcased. Most importantly, the original one is much more fun, and the strange part is if you have watched original one, then you can really relate that line by line, frame by frame is copied from the original one to Call My Agent Bollywood. It doesn't look like an official adaptation, rather it looks like a typical copy version. You know, there is a difference between official adaptation and copy version. And it looks like you are just translating it. There's nothing much to see. You know, we Bollywood has a different charm. We have a different story to tell. We have a different perspective. We have a different approach to things. We don't run like other film industry. So where is that? It was missing. When you adapt something, you should showcase your version, you know, your part. You should add that own part. That own part was missing. If you want a very typical rom-com just to freshen your mind, then just definitely watch this series. Otherwise, if you are expecting something to watch different, or you're expecting something to, you know, a sneak peek into the inside of Bollywood, then no, this is not the right content you are looking for. And it is a web series. If it was a film, then the things would have been different, because hardly you are wasting only 2 hours or 2.5 hours on a film. But when it is a web series, you are wasting around 5 hours, or you are investing around 5 hours. If it's a good content, then no, it is not ideal if I suggest that you should invest your time. But if you're just watching it just for a fun or just relaxing your mind, then yeah, you go for it. And let me know if you have already watched this web series. I would love to know that what is your opinion about this series, and if you have not, then thank me later. Well, this is it for today. I'll come with a different recommendation or different movie analysis, or something like that. Till then, please suggest me some good content that I should watch and I should review, or at least I should discuss about it, so that it will reach to more and more people. And yes, take a good care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Thank you.